In front of me is iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to sort contacts on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then go to the contacts, and here you can smoothly sort it in some particular order. So just mark sort order, and pick if you would like to have it first last or last first, just like that. And this is how you can customize it, so it will be customized either via first name or last name. So it's up to you, just mark the option that you would like to have. Then you can also change the display order in the same way, so names in some languages such as Chinese, so you can hear it see it here, sorry, follow a fixed order and will not be affected, so just remember about it. But you can smoothly pick it for any other language. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.